Welcome to Makayla's toy review. So what are you doing now? Playing
School.
what? Playing school, eh? Okay.
Something's coming.
Okay. What's that?
A fart surprise.
Fart surprise?
Said balloon fart.
A balloon fart, eh?
They need to sit at the carpet.
And
And
then?
teacher stays here still. And they are learning math. Finding a pencil. And he said, he said 3 minus 2.
3 minus 2 is what?
He said 5.
No, that's 3 plus 2. 3 minus 2, like 3. Then remove the 2. How many? How many
Don't
more?
do you, YouTube.
What?
Don't do you.
3. Remove the 2. How many?
1.
Okay.
And now, where's man? There's man. And the man said, he said the wrong answer, and then he was laughing.
Welcome to Makayla's toy review. Ooh, Makayla, what are you doing?
His minion's eating cupcake.
Is that a minion?
That is a minion.
What about the other toys? What are you doing? What are you doing to the other toys?
The teacher is eating cupcake. It's just another video. Because there's another video coming.
What about you do some magic?
Yeah. No.
It's still there.
No. Like this.
So it will disappear?
That's
Whoa,
why I do that.
still there. Welcome to
Fight with the
Makayla's
cupcake.
toy
Fight with the
review.
cupcake.
Oh, what are you doing now?
Killing the cupcake because
You're killing cupcake, eh?
They're killing the cupcake because it was real.
Okay.
The 18 because that teacher don't like because that's a real cupcake.
Okay, let's go watch it in TV. Huh?
I thought we were playing hide and seek in the bed.
Later, we're gonna make a new video on that game. For now, we're gonna post this video, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.